Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CBSE Class 12 exam pattern marking scheme preparation tips and more. CBSE Class 12 exam 2024 will begin on February 15, 2024. CBSE will conduct board exams only once for the academic session 2023 to 2024. The exam will be conducted in offline mode for a duration of 3 hours. As per the new pattern, there will be more competency-based questions in the 2024 board exams. The competency-based questions will include MCQ type questions, case study based and source based questions. The rest 40% of the questions will be short and long answer type questions. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 exam pattern 2023 to 2024. CBSE Class 12 exam pattern has undergone a few changes this year. The following additional changes have been made for the 2024 board exam of Class 12. 40% of the questions in the exam will be competency based, case based or source based. 20% of the questions will be multiple choice questions. 40% of the questions will include short answers and long answer type questions. The CBSE Class 12 question paper will be divided into 5 sections mainly. The total number of questions may vary as per subject. However, in journal there will be around 37 questions. Section A will contain 18 MCQ questions for 1 mark each. Section B contains 6 very short answer questions for 2 marks each. Section C will contain 5 questions of 3 marks each. In Section D there will be 3-4 marks questions and Section E will have 4 long answer type questions for 5 marks each. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 subject-wise exam pattern. In mathematics, for CBSE Class 12 maths, the theory part has a total weightage of 80 marks and the internal assessment it is for 20 marks. The relations and functions will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Calculus will carry a weightage of 35 marks. Algebra will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Vectors and three-dimensional geometry will carry a weightage of 14 marks. Linear programming will carry a weightage of 5 marks. Probability will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Let's check the mathematics question paper pattern 2023 to 2024. In the mathematics question paper, 55% of the total questions will be based on remembering and understanding carry total 44 marks. 25% of the questions will be application based carrying 20 marks and question based on analyzing, evaluating and creating will constitute 20% of the paper. These questions carry a weightage of 16 marks. Let's check the physics exam pattern. For the CBSE Class 12 physics, the theory part has the total weightage of 70 marks. The remaining 30 marks belong to the practicals. In Unit 1 Electrostatics, Unit 2 Current Electricity will carry a weightage of 16 marks. Unit 3 Magnetic Effects of Current and Magnetism, Unit 4 Electromagnetic Induction and Alternating Currents will carry a weightage of 17 marks. Unit 5 Electromagnetic Waves, Unit 6 Optics will carry a weightage of 18 marks. Unit 7 Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter, Unit 8 Atoms and Nuclei will carry a weightage of 12 marks. Unit 9 Electronic Devices will carry a weightage of 7 marks. In the physics question paper, 38% of the total questions will be based on remembering and understanding carrying total 27 marks. 32% of the questions will be application based carrying 22 marks and questions based on analyzing, evaluating and creating will constitute 30% of the paper. These questions carrying a weightage of 21 marks. Let's check the chemistry exam pattern. For chemistry, the theory part has a total weightage of 70 marks. The remaining 30 marks are assigned to the practicals. Solutions will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Electrochemistry will carry a weightage of 9 marks. Chemical kinetics will carry a weightage of 7 marks. D&F block elements will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Coordination compounds will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Haloalkanes and haloarenes will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Alcohol, phenols and ethers will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Aldehydes, ketones and Carboxylic acid will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Amines will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Biomolecules will carry a weightage of 7 marks. In the chemistry question paper, 40% of the total questions will be based on remembering and understanding, carrying total 28 marks. 30% of the questions will be application based, carrying 21 marks, and questions based on analyzing, evaluating and creating will constitute 30% of the paper. These questions carrying a weightage of 21 marks. Let's check the biology exam pattern. For CBSE Class 12 Biology, the theory part has a total weightage of 70 marks and practical constitute of the remaining 30 marks. Reproduction carrying a weightage of 16 marks. Genetics and evolution carrying a weightage of 20 marks. Biology and human welfare carrying a weightage of 12 marks. Biotechnology and its applications carrying a weightage of 12 marks. Ecology and environment will carry a weightage of 10 marks. In biology question paper pattern, the demonstrate knowledge and understanding will carry a weightage of 50%. The application of knowledge and concepts will carry a weightage of 30%. Analyzing, evaluating and creating will carry a weightage of 20%. Let's check the English exam pattern. The class 12th English paper contains section for reading skills, creative writing, literature and assessments. The marks contained by each section are mentioned below. Reading skills will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Creative writing skills will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Literature textbooks and supplementary reading text will carry a weightage of 40 marks. Assessment of listening and speaking skills will carry a weightage of 10 marks. In internal assessment, listening, speaking will carry a weightage of 5 marks and project work will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 passing marks. Students must secure the minimum marks specified by CBSE to be declared pass in the Class 12 board exams. Candidates need to pass the theory and practical exams separately for a subject. The passing marks are the same for each stream. Students need to score at least 33% marks out of the total 100 marks to pass the CBSE Class 12 board exams. Candidates need to pass both theory and practical exam for a subject in CBSE board exams. The passing marks are the same for each stream. For physics, chemistry, biology, accountancy and business studies, the maximum marks are 70 and the passing marks are 33%. For subjects like mathematics, English, economics, political science and history, the total marks for theory paper are 80 and the students need to score 33% to pass a subject. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 exam preparation tips. Here are some tips that can help students to prepare effectively for their CBSE Class 12 exams. You need to make a study plan and stick to it. Break down the syllabus into smaller parts and allocate sufficient time to each section. Prioritize your studies based on the weightage of each chapter in the syllabus. Understand the marks weightage for each subject and focus more on the chapters that carry higher marks. Solving previous year question papers will help students understand the exam pattern and types of question asked and improve their time management skills. Practice sample papers released by the CBSE as they are based on the latest pattern, followed by the board. Take regular breaks between study sessions to relax and rejuvenate. This will help improve focus and concentration. Create notes and revise them frequently. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.